Hi everyone, it's Thomas here. Today I'm going to unbox Iron Man Mark 43 from Odd Toys. So here we go. The box is pretty big. Look, compared to Spider-Man. Oh, wait. Here we go. Yeah, you know, it's a lot bigger. Okay, so here we go. Oh. Okay, you take this. Slowly. Okay. Go. So. Mark 43, and here it is. As you can see, okay, so there's another part below. Wait, oh, yeah. So there's the user guide to explain how it works. There's okay, so now we open it. So here's the batteries and the screwdriver for Iron Man. The stand. Okay. It's a big stand. Avengers, Age of Ultron, Mark 43. Okay, yeah, it's pretty big. There's another part of the stand, and well, you get an Iron Legion, the one that was controlled by Ultron. It's pretty cool. You know, look at this. It's a lot of details here. Wait a second. Okay. Yes, here we go. Yeah, look at this. Wow. That's. Can remove the head. Well, it's awesome. So here we go. So this goes there. This way. Okay. Okay. Then this part goes here. Here's the stand. Okay, so first the Tony Stark and Skull. Go. Okay. Yeah. Well, it's yeah, it's pretty great. Yeah, it really looks like Tony Stark, and yeah, Iron Man. Odd Toys is always pretty good with at skulls. Yeah, look at this. So here we go, the other part of the helmet. It goes like this. It's magnets. Here we go. So if you want, you can also close the helmet like this. Yeah, and open it like this, then put it here. Here we go. This, it's for the left arm. It's a muscle. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. pair of ends. Another pair of ends. So these ends have articulated fingers, as you can see. Move like this. This. Same for this one. Yeah, here we go. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, I like this. This is for the ends too. Okay. And before unpacking the figure, always take a look at the user guide to see all the indications of how it works. Here and here. Okay. Here, the articulation, they explain everything. Right here, feet. Okay, so here we go. So it's pretty heavy because it's die cast, so it's not plastic. Yeah, I mean, whoa, it's a lot heavier than I thought. Go. So we're gonna. Okay, well, that's it's pretty heavy. Here we go. So you have batteries to put in the two arms. Okay, here we go. On the back, and lights the torso, and then for the helmet, this. Okay. And for the helmet, it's here. Okay, you put this back on. Okay, and then here we go. And here we go. It's really great. All these lights features. Yeah, I mean, it's really cool. This here. Yeah. In the manual, they say you can remove this part. It goes like this, but I haven't managed to do so, so I'm not gonna try too much because I mean, autos are fragile, so yeah, let's not do that. The ends with moving fingers, and so you can give them any pose you like. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty cool. I think Iron Man figures are the only autos who have moving fingers, so yeah, I mean, that's definitely a plus. The Iron Legend also moves his arm along with the head. So for the head, it's easy to remove and put the Iron Man head, Tony Stark head on it. Here we go. Okay, so here's a Tony Stark head on the body. It goes here. Okay, yes. So there's a lot of articulation, arms here. This, feet can move. Yeah, you have articulation legs here. Yeah, there's even more details there. And to move this part, you have a button here. You have to press the button. Okay, wait. And it moves like this. So yeah, you have to be very careful when you pause it. You also have a flight mode. There's panels that open here. See, yeah. Okay. You also have these. Can move. It depends on how you put the legs. Also, if you want to put this one here, you have to go this, this. It uses magnets. So here goes the first part, and then the second part. Here we go. So yeah, that's pretty cool here. Yeah, and it really has been paint tabs. Well, these parts are actually plastic, but the hands are also plastic but use metallic paints, but the rest is pretty much die cast. So yeah, it's a really awesome figure. So, as they explain in the user guide, you can only use this stand for Iron Man because it's a pretty heavy figure and the other stands just won't be able to hold Iron Man. So yeah, I mean, I really love this figure. I'll be doing a review on the site, so be sure to check this out too. Bye bye!